Yes, you can unleash your potential. They told you it's impossible. They said you're not smart enough, not strong enough, not talented enough. Maybe at some point, you even started to believe them. But I'm here to tell you something different. I'm here to tell you that yes, you can. You can succeed. You can change. You can become the person you dream of being. The only thing standing between you and success is the voice in your head telling you that you can't. Today, we silence that voice. Today, we take control. We've all been there. We've all had those moments where we doubted ourselves, where we questioned our abilities, where we let the negative voices in our heads drown out our dreams. We've been told we're not good enough, not smart enough, not talented enough. We've been fed these lies, and over time, we've started to internalize them. But I'm here to tell you that these are just that, lies. They're limiting beliefs that have been holding you back from your true potential. Think about it. How many times have you let fear stop you from going after what you really want? How many times have you talked yourself out of something because you didn't think you were capable? These lies are insidious. They creep into our minds and sabotage our efforts before we even start. They tell us we're not worthy, that we're not deserving of success. But I'm here to tell you that you are worthy, you are deserving, and you are capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. I've met countless people who have overcome incredible odds to achieve their dreams. People who were told they would never amount to anything, yet they defied the odds and proved everyone wrong. These are the stories that inspire me, the stories that remind me that anything is possible if you're willing to put in the work. So how do we break free from these lies? How do we silence the negative voices and start believing in ourselves again? It starts with recognizing the lies for what they are, simply thoughts, not truths. Once you start to question these negative thoughts, you can start to replace them with positive, empowering beliefs. Everything starts with your mindset. It's the foundation upon which you build your life. If you want to achieve greatness, if you want to unleash your true potential, you need to start by cultivating an unshakable belief in yourself. This isn't about being arrogant or cocky. It's about recognizing your own worth and your own power. It's about understanding that you have the ability to create the life you want, to achieve your goals, and to make a difference in the world. Think about some of the most successful people in history. What do they all have in common? They had an unwavering belief in themselves and their vision. They refused to listen to the naysayers, the doubters, the people who told them it couldn't be done. They understood that their mindset was their most powerful asset. They knew that if they could control their thoughts, they could control their actions, and ultimately, they could control their destiny. So how do you develop this kind of unshakable self-belief? It starts with recognizing your own value. Identify your strengths. What are you good at? What are you passionate about? What makes you unique? Once you start to focus on your strengths, you'll start to see yourself in a more positive light. You'll start to believe in your abilities, and you'll be more likely to take risks and pursue your dreams. Remember, your thoughts create your reality. If you believe you can achieve something, you're far more likely to make it happen. So, start today by cultivating a mindset of success. Believe in yourself, believe in your abilities, and never give up on your dreams. Fear and self-doubt are the biggest dream stealers out there. They whisper in your ear, telling you to play it safe, to stay small, to avoid the unknown. But here's the thing about fear, it's a liar. It disguises itself as a protector, but in reality, it's a barrier, holding you back from the life you deserve. We all experience fear, it's a natural human emotion, but the key is to not let it control you. The first step to overcoming fear is to identify it. What are you truly afraid of? Is it failure, rejection, the unknown? Once you've identified your fear, you can start to challenge it. Ask yourself, is this fear rational? Is it based on facts or simply on negative thoughts and assumptions? Often you'll find that your fears are unfounded. They're based on limiting beliefs that you've picked up along the way, not on reality. The next step is to take action. The best way to overcome fear is to confront it head-on. Start small. If you're afraid of public speaking, for example, start by practicing in front of a mirror, then with a friend, and gradually work your way up to larger audiences. Remember, courage isn't the absence of fear. It's taking action despite fear. Every time you face your fears, you build your confidence and resilience. And as you continue to push past your comfort zone, you'll find that your fears start to diminish. So don't let fear hold you back any longer. Identify it, challenge it, and take action. You are stronger than you think. Chapter 4. Knowing is not enough. We must apply. Willing is not enough. We must do. It's time to take action. Here's your action plan. First, identify your limiting beliefs. What are the negative thoughts and beliefs that are holding you back? Write them down. Next, challenge your limiting beliefs. Are these beliefs really true? What evidence do you have to support them? What evidence do you have that contradicts them? Then, replace limiting beliefs with empowering beliefs. Once you've challenged your negative beliefs, replace them with positive, empowering ones. For example, instead of thinking, "I'm not good enough," tell yourself, "I am capable and worthy of success." Fourth, set SMART goals. Now that you have a more positive mindset, it's time to set some goals. Make sure your goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Finally, take action. The final step is to take action. Break down your goals into smaller, more manageable steps, and start taking action today. Remember, even small steps in the right direction can lead to big results over time. Don't wait for the perfect moment or the perfect plan. Start where you are, with what you have, and take that first step. Chapter 5. Are you ready to take your transformation to the next level? I'm challenging you to the 30-day, Yes, I Can Challenge. For the next 30 days, I want you to focus on cultivating a positive mindset and taking action towards your goals. Here's how it works. Every day, I want you to start your day with affirmations. Look in the mirror and say to yourself, "Yes, I can. I am capable, I am worthy, and I am deserving of success." Next, identify one thing each day that scares you or that you've been putting off, and take action on it. It doesn't have to be something huge. It could be as simple as making a phone call, having a difficult conversation, or trying something new. Finally, at the end of each day, take a few minutes to reflect on your progress. What went well? What challenges did you face? What did you learn? This challenge is about pushing yourself outside of your comfort zone, building your confidence, and proving to yourself that you are capable of anything you set your mind to. I'll be here every step of the way, providing you with encouragement, support, and motivation. Are you ready to unleash your potential? Let's do this. Chapter 6. You have the power within you to create the life you've always dreamed of. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. Don't let fear hold you back. Don't let self-doubt dim your light. You are capable of amazing things, but it all starts with believing in yourself. So I challenge you to take what you've learned today and put it into action. Don't just watch this video and forget about it. Make a decision to change your life. Make a decision to step into your power. Make a decision to become the best version of yourself. The world is waiting for you. Your dreams are waiting for you. Your future is waiting for you. The only question is, will you take the first step? Chapter 7. Say this with me one last time. Yes, I can. Yes, I can. Yes, I can. If this video gave you energy, drop a comment below. What's one thing you will start today? Like, subscribe, and share. Because someone out there needs to hear this today. Your future is waiting. The only question is, will you take the first step?